Hello everyone, Mike AROON here, co-founder of Trading Partners, along with Bob Vicino. So we had to drop down, remember, to the shorter term charts to find the pausing bar. We had 97.25 spiking through there, closing below it, next bar coming up, running up to that key level, and then closing down. Now just drifting sideways, letting the 8 catch up, so we're going to start watching for the upside breakout. And now we have an official pausing bar on the 4 hour, so that's the levels I'm using. So right now, sitting at the key support right about 9,600. Rally up. Key resistance right now is 9,700 on, especially 4 hour close above 9,700. 9,792, major area 9,904, so 9,900, and then 10,000. 10,016 to be exact, but 10,000 is what we're targeting. If it does pull back, key support now about 9,525 to 9,500. Take a look at the daily chart. So we had that big bar yesterday, still in consolidation or congestion, whatever you want to call it, holding above, did not even come back to that 9,525, 9,500 level to test support yet. So that is key area, that it stays above there to confirm this nice solid breakout within congestion. And just keep the bigger picture, so this is where we have this nice little 9,900 level. Would not ignore that on a rally, and still even this 10,016 is still within the move that we made back at the beginning of June. Let's switch over to Ethereum real quick. Ethereum, so that actually holding slightly bit stronger than Bitcoin. You can see here slight upward move. I'm going to move this up to the proper pausing bar now. Remember, we had to drop down in time frame again too. Now this is drifting sideways to slightly up. 8 holding the price. Key support now coming in right about 242, 242, 20, 25, 242, 25. Resistance above 244.36. If we get a close above there, we'll start watching for a retest of these upper levels. 250.60, and then major cluster 253.20 to 254.24. That's the next key area. If we did drop below it, let me do this. Major support now coming in at 238. Let's take a look at that daily. So yeah, that 238 level, see all these candle bars, that's prior resistance becoming support. So that's the key area I'll be watching any pullback, because if it really dips below that, especially on a closing basis, then we could have a failed breakout. If it did dip below it temporarily, on a quick down move, then a shoot back up, 236 is the next level of support to watch. Other than that, we don't have anything else for you on the cryptos. I hope everyone has a great day. Bye for now.